our channel DigitalBix Fashions. In this video, we are going to unbox the F-Gear Luxur 25 liters brown laptop backpack 2404. Some of the details of this bag are: outer material is art leather, the color is brown, and water resistance. Yes, it is water resistant bag. Capacity 25 liters and it has weight about 800 grams. Number of compartments 2. Laptop compatibility, yes, it has a laptop compatibility. The size of laptop is 15.6 inches. Volume capacity 25 liters. Item weight 721 grams. Material artificial leather. Special features: laptop compartment, zip closure, shoulder strap closure, zipper. Water resistance, water resistant. Unless you have been living under a rock age, you don't know about the latest measure bags meme that's been doing the rounds on social media. If you have been very curious to know more about this measure bag, we provide all the deets you need. The bag featured in the video is none other than the Luxur 25 liter brown backpack from the house of F-Gear. This brand has been successful in its new foray of introducing innovative leatherette backpacks in tan and black such as Luxur. This bag is soft, ultra functional and durable as it can easily pass the test time, and extremely elegant range has revolutionized the backpack industry. These trend-setting backpacks from the house of F-Gear portfolio have consistently held the bestseller ranks on e-commerce platforms like Amazon, Flipkart and Myntra, winning the Amazon bestseller and Amazon choice titles. This backpack is not only a bag but also a style statement. It is the perfect accessory for the young college-going fashion of today to unleash their fashionable personality. This classic backpack boasts of a finish like leather and creates a contemporary, classic and sharply defined look. This F-Gear Luxur comes with several utility areas and external compartments to bring the next level of functionality. Keys, diaries, wallets, pen drives and smartphones can be neatly organized in the backpack. Apart from a padded laptop compartment, the bag also has a water holding space on the side which is roomy enough to hold the standard level size of water bottles. This backpack is water resistant for your convenience. You can carry your books, clothes, gadgets, electronics and other accessories safely as the superior material prevents water from getting inside. We hope that you like this video and thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel DigitalBix Fashions for more interesting videos. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit a like, share, subscribe and press the bell button for latest updates. Thank you.